असं माझे टार्गेट आसा ते हे करपाचे प्रॅक्टीस करपाक आसा.
We sponsor a Tempo who came. अनुरागाचोच हातभार ना, टेम्पोनी ताका हात दिलो, त्याच्यामुळे तो फुडें गेलो. असेच स्पॉन्सर येवन भुरग्यांक आमचे हेल्प करतले आनी ते भुरगे फुडें सरतले. कित्याक विदावट फायनान्स भायर वचून जे रेटींग मेळपाक जाय ते इम्पॉसिबल. They have to spend lakhs of rupees to go there, play there, pay the fees, and eventually they get rating where we don't know. Playing with international grandmasters, we don't know what is the fate. But this boy, he went there, he conquered, and he came back with a title. We are happy. We are looking for a super grandmaster in him, like Vishwanath Anand and all those top players. As you know, Vishwanath Anand is the first grandmaster of India. Now he is the 48th in this big country. He is the 40th player will become grandmaster. And I feel that he will go ahead and he will be one of the top grandmaster of world. And it will be more joyful for us to see him as a one world candidate for championship.